You cannot do it. Like Britney don't have her crowd again. Yes, she have her crowd, but she don't have the type of support. She don't have the big support again. Cause when me even look on TikTok and me saw them at door, me say, Lord Jesus, I said, Britney did have a piece of support there. They might drop one by one. What's the cup this? They might drop one by one because the girl not here, man. The girl want, we don't know if any she did find her then throw on blood clot and baba give her 10 injection. Any she did their fire then throw on bomb. Britney, if you try that again, remember me tell you, girl, I'm going to tear up your your mad blood clot. Any hour, at 3 times this me, you know. I'm going to take them, you know. 3 times you do it. Try it the 4th time. Try it. Try blood clot. Me dare you try it the 4th time. Me dare you try it the 4th time. Me dare you try it the 4th time. You at 3 times you diss me, you know. You diss me what day about my house, you know. And you come back, you know. And you same time you come back, you know, you add me, you know, add you know. The next, tap up your live, guys. Tap up your live and share the live. Tap up live and share the live. The next time you come back, you diss me. You diss blood clot me, you know. And talk about me now have a car, you know, and answer that something, you know, I'm take it, you know. At this 3rd time, this thing, so you talk tonight, you know. I'm a gender, you try to bring down, you know, girl. I'm take it, you know. And you see people scream at and put it all about a count about say Britney this thing again. Britney, dear me, try it the next time, you see. Try it again. Me no care when nobody wants to on TikTok. Me say, girl, me go do your what's our road dog deal. Remember me tell you, when me done with it, I go jump up on 1 million. Remember me tell you, girl, try it again. Cause you see when me done, it's when me start pan a girl, don't think that I'm gonna done. Me not done with your blood clot. Till you get up and kill your blood clot self. And so me stay. So me bet you, try it again. Cause you know what you're doing, girl. You know what you're blood clot though. I me never disrespect it. Me never go over your life yet and ever tell her say I read it. Me never tell her nothing about it. Look how much time over your life I do the madness them. Eh? You always do the blood clot madness them. Child with the Guyana, me can't know. Look how much time over your life I do the craziest thing them, the mad things them. And me could I tell you blood clot things to offend you. And me not tell you. Me don't tell you. But me know I nobody out of things say me afraid of Britney cause Britney I no got a bumble clot. Britney I no got a blood clot. And where you there need to stop it, girl. And if you constantly blood clot do it, girl, remember me blood clot tell you go get it. I mean I tell you go blood clot get it. I mean I ask you, tell me a blood clot tell you that Brittany. Brittany, me destiny, I tell her that if you constantly do what you do, you go get it.